Manufacturing has, as rightly been said, that it's been a male-dominated industry. And when I first entered, I also had to prove my capabilities, not just in leadership, but general operational nuances and learning through and everything. So, uh, from then to now, if I see that the gender ratio now, as in then it was not as much female dominant, but now if I say we have about 60% of females working in our office and 40% of them being in the shop floor. So manufacturing has traditionally been male dominant, but now I see out of every 10 men, 10 people, 4 of them are females and delivering the same amount of efficiency and operational capability than generally been known to be a male dominant kind of space. So very proud. And so the traditional roles that were understood to be of women, like HR and admin, so we've moved on from that, and I'm proud to say that there are other hats that women are sort of now wearing.